Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to create thumbnail for YouTube on mobile phone. If you are a mobile phone user and you don't know how to create thumbnail for your videos free of cost, so this video is for you. So first of all, you have to select the photo that you want to upload on your video, on title or the thumbnail you want to make. Select the photo and here you have to select the ratio of your photo according to YouTube channel's video. Now as you know, 16:9 is the ratio for YouTube videos of thumbnails. So this you have to first select the ratio. Now you have, if you are going to show the people like top 5 mountains, 10 top mountains, I'm going to editing for the mountains thumbnail. So this video is for you. Now you have to write on the top 3 mountains in the world, top 5 mountains in the world, or 10, whatever you want to, like according to your content, which content of your channel you have to write here. Now my content is about mountains, pictures of mountains in the world, in the earth. Now you can see I'm editing the title of my thumbnail, title of my video. Basically, what's the opinion about you? I don't know how you create thumbnails on mobile, but this is in short an app. You can easily create your thumbnails. Now edit the thumbnails. If you want to change the label, or if you want to change the name of your title, color, any writing, you can change from here. You can also change label, like background of your title, and all the thing you can change here, writing style, anything. This is the best app for creating thumbnails. Hope so you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for the more updates. This is the method by which you can easily create or create any type of thumbnail easily with few basic steps. Hope so you understand this video, and thank you so much for your support and love. Now you can see I'm change writing style. You can change anything, label, writing style, color, anything, like everything for this thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching the video.